Hi everyone, welcome to project of the day. Today I will talk about the extension of my sawmill. As you can see, I've extended my sawmill with 2 meters, and I will show you different configuration of your extension. So I hope you enjoy. You use this short bracket, one of each side, and just put in the extension one, like this. Here you have a really simple extension. It's 50 centimeters on each side, so it gets 5 meters in total. Very simple and install and easy. But I will extend mine a little bit further. As you can see, I have extended my sawmill to 6 meters. This is the configuration I will be using in the future. And one really good thing about this is you have 2 log lifts that is 2 meters apart, and you have 2 that is just 1 meter apart. So you can saw shorter logs there and longer logs here. And if you want to saw really long logs, you can use the whole setup.